Okay everyone, I just received this in the post from a Finnish company, Varusteleka. Very good value, original gas burner, the Primus version for the Trangia. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. As you can see, it's called the Trangia Storm. It will save me having to take the legs off my Edelred Hexon every time I want to take it out on gas. If I want to use petrol, of course, I will still use my Edelred. Usual Trangia box. Instruction booklet with the warnings on it. Yeah. English, Swedish, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Norwegian, Danish, Finnish, Dutch, and Estonian. No Lithuanian. Oh dear. Approved configurations, where you can keep everything, shows you the positions for everything. This will not melt the burner as I had before, and it actually comes in a little felt wool carry case. Ooh. I thought I would have to use one of my own carry cases. I probably will. I have one of these spare that I got with the triangle. I use a different pouch. So that is quite smart, isn't it? I might keep that for something else, as it will fit a bit easily into this. There we have it. I will show you it's slotted in at a later date. Note, the Chinese clones have holes in the top. The Trangia, or as we say in Britain and elsewhere, Trangia, but we'll try and get it right, does not have the holes in the top. It will burn a bit better. It has a preheating ring. I have seen some people say that it's not much use. We shall wait and see. That would then pinch. Oh, that's actually quite strong, and go into the hole. There we have the valve. Nice quality, and the usual little piece of card that you have to cut off. Nice valve. It feels good. Nice length to it. Okay, I'm going to leave this on at the moment just to make sure everything works, and then we'll get out the Trangia 27 and give it a shot.